Alright. Down here we got some floor issues. We're going to move some furniture back so we can get to it and pull this carpet right here. Got a hump, a dip and a hump here going on. And we're keeping our fingers crossed it doesn't get into this kitchen area. And that wall doesn't have to be an issue. We're getting ready to tear this up and see what's going on under here. We came down here, painted, put a rubber roof on this place. But before we did the rubber roof, the reason why I called me because it was leaking. And it was leaking right in this area here. And it caused this situation right here. So we're going to move some furniture back and peel some carpet. Alright, we got it pulled back and found out what's going on. And we even got to move it back a little bit more, Billy, because we got to get it all the way back to where the water stops, and it stopped right there under that window. So that's all coming out. The thing that I ran into on this particular thing is the carpet was put down. And alright, we have signs of coon life. Right here, living under your trailer, Jim. Yep, walking all down through the middle of it right here. Wearing out the insulation. Same exact. I can see where they've been bedding back there. Bedding right back there. And this is a trail they're walking down through the middle of this thing right by your air conditioning duct. Yeah, get it cleaned up. Oh yeah, that's nice. Get out of there. Yeah, reframing. Adding some frame material. Looks good, Billy. Looks good. Alright, we can start moving furniture back where it belongs. Then we'll sweep this kitchen some more once we get it cleaned out. Looking good.
Run it back and across it.
Putting it back together. They'll still have to do a little bit of cleaning. I mean, they're not going to be dust free here. There's dust everywhere. We'll, for the most of it, take care of it. Look, Billy, appreciate the help. All right, let's go to the outside and start out there. Trying to raccoon-proof this place with some chicken wire. Because the raccoons